Welcome to the second video of class 10 economics. In our previous video, we have studied about the concept of development and its various principles. We had seen that two different persons have two different ideas of development. A landless rural laborer wants to work throughout the year. A urban unemployed youth wants to work according to his qualification. A farmer from a rural area wants to fair prices for his crops. So, in these three examples, we have seen that the person generally express or measure development in terms of income. If they earn more income than the previous year, more salary than the previous year, they termed it as a development. So, in general, people refer development as the hike or increase in their income status. In our first video, we have defined development as something that adds or improve our quality of life. So, anything that adds or improve our quality of life is termed as development. In first video, we generally talk about the income status, but our quality of life does not depend upon only material things. Quality of life depends upon two things: material things and non-material things. What is material things? One which can be measured or seen or measured in monetary terms. Non-material things are those which cannot be seen and its value cannot be measured in terms of monetary value. Examples of material things are bike, healthcare facility, education facility, roads, transport, mobile, refrigerator, laptop, and etc. And the example of non-material things are freedom, respect for others, security, love, affection, friendship, equal treatment, and etc. So, any things that can be bought with the help of money are called material things, and any things which cannot be bought with the help of money are called non-material things. Freedom, security, love, affection, friendship, these things can't be bought with the help of money. So, development includes increase in income status as well as non-material things that improves our quality of life. In general, day-to-day life, people understand development with material things. People regard increase in income as a development, but it is not true. Development comprises of these two things, material and non-material things. We cannot overlook non-material things. We cannot say freedom, respect for others, security, love, affection, friendship, equal treatment. It cannot be measured, so it cannot be important. it is equally important like increase in income status. In some cases, non-material things become more important than the material things. Suppose, for understanding the importance of non-material things, let's take an example. Suppose you get a job from a company which is situated in Calcutta and you are residing in Mumbai. In Calcutta, you got a salary package of 4,50,000. But there is no job security. And you get a job in your home city, that is Mumbai. You get a job in your home city at the package of 4 lakh per annum. But in this job you have a job security, means your job are secured here. So here you will not look only upon 4,50,000, you also think upon job security. So people have mixed notion of development. Only monetary aspect or income does not influences the notion of development. Non-material things also affects. Thus people look mix of goals. They do not only emphasis on income but also on other factors that improves our quality of life. So far we have studied 3 principles of development. First one is different person have different developmental goals. 2 different person have conflicting notion of development. And third one is people look at mix of goals for development. Thank you.